Hello there and welcome back to your favorite channel, and in this video I have got some new information for you which we want to quickly tackle. This is about your questions answered on the HOLDCOIN airdrop and listing. Okay, so after the video I made on the airdrop and how to withdraw or claim your HOLDCOIN token, right? I know questions will be coming up just like here. Please sir, my Bitget is not working. How do I get turn to claim? I guess turn to claim. Okay, so now your Bitget is not working. Why is it not working? Is the first question. Is it not something that you want to maybe you do a password reset? Okay, so you can log on to your Bitget. Okay, then if or alternatively, if you can quickly register a new one, getting a link in the description, you can do that and verify it. Verification will not take you more than 30 minutes. Then you tell them to block the other account. Give them a reason why you need to do that if you can't access it. But then on the alternative, I'm going to show you if you want to use claim it on chain on the Ton network, or we'll do that shortly. Let me quickly attend to this other question. I need your help. So I had 127 bets, then they disappeared. Now I see 0. And when I try submitting its amount yesterday, let me exceed your, okay. When I try submitting it, let's see. And when I try, okay, it said the amount exceeds your whatever. Okay, you refresh the page. If you saw the 127, and the question is, if you actually tapped on it and it entered the max level, as you know, if you check this video, you saw when I submitted and the value showed under the where you entered the amount. Okay, so if, let me quickly play this so you can see what I mean. Now, if you see here where you see max, if you had entered the token quantity there, that 127 there, and then submitted, all right, if you did, then that means it had gone. Because if you see when I submitted here, the success message just showed up and disappeared almost immediately. So, and if you have done that, now what you need to do again now is to refresh. And if you refresh it, which I'm going to show you as I go back there, to the app now, you'll see that it will tell you that your 127 has been sent. Do you understand? So I'm going to show you so you can see that, so that won't be a problem. All right, let me see if there's another question I can tackle here. How can I create Bitget wallet? Yes, check in the description of this video. Like, this is the video here, or you just tap here, okay, so you can see the Bitget, here. See, tap on this link here and you can actually create a Bitget wallet immediately. All right, so the next question is it possible I can change my posted tokens from Merx to Bitget? If you have not withdrawn it yet, yes, you can. If you have not withdrawn it to Max, if you have been withdrawn to Max already, you can't change it. But if you have not, you can change it. All right, these guys are very stupid. I was even given 0. No. I'm not sure you were given 0. What you just do, refresh and be patient for it to populate. Keep refreshing and be patient for it to populate. All right, I've claimed it, but not received yet in my wallet. When will it show? I guess this will reflect the same way Major happened. You know, Major, after claiming the token, they say it's processing. It kept staying in that mode of processing until the day Major was listed. Even now, if I still log into my Major, I'm sure it will still be showing processing. But on the day listing date, as soon as it was listed, I saw my Major in my Bitget Exchange account. All right, so okay, so now let's head on to the app and let me fix some of these questions that we have seen here so that we can all be on the same page. Let's go. Okay, so now we're back on the app now. So you can see here the message. Now, if you sent your 127 and it was successful, if you open the app right now, see what you get. My hold, all tokens have been deposited into your wallet. That's the message you get. And for me that use Bitget, if I tap on this, you will see that it will show the same message, and then you see this. So if you tap on the very exchange that you use, if it's Bitget that you use, tap on it, you can see the same message. All allocatable tokens amount, all tokens have been deposited into your wallet. Now, if you check below here, you can see the UI, the Bitget UID. You can see the HOLDCOIN wallet address. Then you can see the amount. So it's still showing there, meaning that it has sent this to my Bitget wallet. So check and be sure that you can see this information. In your own case, it will be 127. All right. So the next other question there, which is if you can actually change. Now, if you have already sent, like if you check on Max, all right, and on your Max, and if you check the UID and the token quantity, and they are showing like this, just like in the Bitget own, then you can't change it again. If you have not sent, you can actually create a Bitget wallet and use it. All right. Then if you, in your case, it's showing 0, just do a refresh. If you refresh the page, or if you log in now and check, I'm sure it should show. All right, except you have already withdrawn it. But if you have not withdrawn it, just refresh it and keep refreshing, and it will show. Like mine, it was showing. In fact, I'm going to make bring another video. The edited parts of that first video where it was showing me the same thing and how resilient I was until everything was fine. I'm going to bring the raw video to you. Okay, so that is about that. So now for the claiming on HOLDCOIN. So just in case for your Bitget and you're unable to, and you don't have the patience to create a new Bitget wallet or account and withdraw to Bitget Exchange. So just come to here, and if your tokens are still here, so you just come to the last one here, which is claim hold token to your wallet. So in this case, that means you must have done transactions on HOLDCOIN using this same wallet. All right. So if you tap here, okay, so it's going to be asking you that you enter your ton address. So you just copy the ton address and enter here, and then put the quantity. The only challenge here is that you may pay gas fees when you want to make withdrawal, or you want to make withdrawal or convert it to USDT to be able to sell it. All right, so that's just that. That's all that is required. So make sure that is the same wallet that you have. If you use ton, make sure you just get your ton coin. All right, go to ton coin. Like now, I'm going to go to ton coin, and then I'll come back here to demonstrate it for you quickly. Let's do that. All right, so now we are in my Ton coin wallet. So in my Ton coin wallet, so what we just do here is, once you've got here, what you just do is you tap on receive. So here it says receive Ton coin, send only Ton coin and tokens in Ton network to this address, or you might lose your phone. So since HOLDCOIN is a token in Ton network, so we can send it here. So what you just do is tap on copy, and then it's copied. So we now return back to Telegram. Okay, so we're back here now. So you just tap on the claim HOLDCOIN to your wallet here. Now, if you notice here, you can see that the wallet ID, supported ID is here already. The support ID is here. So you just tap on this, and then next thing is to enter your ton address. So that same ton address, we just paste it here, and then enter the token quantity. You then press on max. In this case, it's 0. So you now tap on claim, and that'll be it. But then all tokens have been deposited into my wallet already. So that's what you can do for you to claim this here. All right, I hope that answers the question. So if you have any more questions around receiving your hold token, go ahead and leave it in the comments, and I will do my best to resolve it. Okay, so give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's see next. Thank you, and God bless you. Merry Christmas.